How to make a man fall in love via text. Alright, so the first thing to think about is, when does a man fall in love? A man falls in love when he's not with you. So what we're looking for strategically in this process is go have fun, go have a great time with your man, and then via text, via everything, what you're going to do is give him space. So when you give him space, he's going to go inside of his head and goes, how am I feeling towards this woman? What am I feeling? How do I truly feel about her? Where are we at? And if you leave time and space, he can start to come up with the idea of how he feels towards you. So he can fall in love with you when you're not around, when you're not texting him, and then he'll decide how he feels about you. And then when he comes back, he can decide if he wants to tell you that he's in love with you. If you're wondering some more tricks on how to make a man obsessed, go in my profile, click the link, and go get it.